Today, I'm challenging myself to eat only raw fruits for an entire week to see how it impacts my health. You know, I've been noticing a growing trend lately eating raw fruits. It seems like everyone's talking about it, from celebrities to fitness enthusiasts, and even your average Joe. And I have to admit, I'm curious. Just how beneficial can eating raw fruits really be for our overall wellness? That's what I want to explore today. We all know that modern life can take a toll on our health. We're constantly bombarded with processed foods, stress, and a lack of physical activity. And it's no surprise that many of us suffer from health issues like digestive problems, low energy, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. The truth is that many of these health problems can be mitigated by making simple dietary changes, especially when it comes to fruit consumption. I mean, think about it, fruits are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that can help combat inflammation, boost our immune systems, and even support healthy weight management. But the reality is that many of us just aren't getting enough fruits in our diets. We're too busy, we don't know how to prepare them, or we just don't like the taste. And that's a shame, because fruits are one of the easiest ways to get essential nutrients into our bodies. For example, did you know that eating a diet rich in fruits can help lower blood pressure, improve blood sugar control, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers? And it's not just about the quantity of fruits we eat, but also the quality. Many of us are consuming fruits that are high in sugar, low in fiber, and stripped of essential nutrients. Take bananas, for instance. They're one of the most popular fruits out there, but they're also high on the glycemic index, which means they can cause a spike in blood sugar levels. On the other hand, fruits like berries, citrus fruits, and apples are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that can provide a wealth of health benefits. Fruits are also incredibly versatile, and can be incorporated into our diets in a variety of ways. We can snack on them, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even use them as toppings for oatmeal or yogurt. And the best part is, they're accessible to everyone. Whether you're shopping at a local farmer's market or a big box store, fruits are one of the most affordable and convenient ways to get healthy. When it comes to the nutrients found in raw fruits, the list is endless. We've got vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for healthy skin, hair, and eyes. We've got minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, which are crucial for healthy blood flow, muscle function, and oxygenation. And let's not forget about antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For instance, berries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and even help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy immune function and even helps to combat seasonal allergies. Even tropical fruits like mangoes and pineapples are rich in vitamins and minerals. Mangoes, for instance, are a great source of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and even helps to combat dry skin. And pineapples are rich in vitamin C and manganese, which are crucial for healthy bone function and even help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Personally, I can attest to the power of raw fruits. About a year ago, I started incorporating more fruits into my diet, and the results were dramatic. My energy levels increased, my skin cleared up, and I even lost a few pounds. But what really surprised me was how my body started to crave fruits. I found myself reaching for an apple or a banana instead of a bag of chips or a candy bar. Take, for example, my friend Sarah, who suffered from chronic digestive problems for years. She was constantly bloated, fatigued, and even experienced painful stomach cramps. However, after incorporating more raw fruits into her diet, she noticed a significant improvement in her symptoms. Her energy levels increased, her digestion improved, and she even lost a few pounds. And the best part is, she didn't have to make any drastic changes to her lifestyle, she simply started adding more fruits to her daily routine. If you're thinking of incorporating more raw fruits into your diet, I say go for it. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your overall health and wellness. Start by adding a piece of fruit to your breakfast or lunch, or try blending them into a smoothie. You can even try my challenge of eating only raw fruits for a week, the results might just surprise you. So, what's been your experience with raw fruits? Have you noticed any improvements in your health or energy levels since incorporating more fruits into your diet? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to tune in to my next video on healthy eating tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.